eye is an organ that allows us to see thanks to its complex structure. It is mainly made up of membranes, transparent structures, and a few other structures. The eye is also protected by the accessory organs around it. It might look like the eye is surrounded by a single white membrane. In reality, the eye is composed of 3 membranes. These 3 membranes are, from the outside in, the sclera, the choroid, and the retina. The sclera is the white of the eye. It gives the eye its shape and it protects it. The muscles that move the eye are attached to the sclera. The choroid is the membrane lining inside the sclera. The dark brown membrane is rich in blood vessels that supply nutrients and oxygen to the other membranes and structures of the eye. Finally, the retina is the membrane that lines the back of the eye. The retina plays a crucial role in our ability to see images. It contains cells called photoreceptors. These cells capture light and convert it into nerve impulses that the brain interprets as images. In addition to the 3 membranes, the eye is composed of 4 transparent structures: the cornea, aqueous humor, lens, and vitreous humor. The cornea is a transparent cellular structure located at the front of the eye. It's an extension of the sclera. It covers the iris and the aqueous humor, which we will discuss shortly. The cornea is curved, which means that it acts like a lens. It converges the light rays that enter the eye. The lens is transparent and shaped a bit like an American football. Since it has 2 dome surfaces, it is said to be a biconvex lens. Just like the cornea, the lens allows light rays entering the eye to converge on the retina. Remember that the eye is a rather delicate organ. We wouldn't want it to deform or have its structure damaged or crushed. In order to make sure that the 3 membranes stay together, the cornea stays domed, and the internal structures are well protected, the eye needs fluid. That's right, the eye is filled with fluids that exert internal pressure on its various structures. Thanks to them, everything stays in place. These liquids are the aqueous humor and the vitreous humor, sometimes called the vitreous body. These transparent liquids are composed mainly of water, but also contain oxygen and nutrients. They supply the various structures of the eye. Since the aqueous humor and the vitreous humor are regularly replenished, they also remove waste from the eye. The eye includes many other structures, such as the iris, pupil, optic nerve, lateral muscles, etc. The iris is the colored structure around the eye. It's immersed in the aqueous humor. The pupil is a hole at the center of the iris. It allows light to pass through. The iris can contract or relax because it's a muscle. This changes the diameter of the pupil and controls the amount of light that enters the eye. As we have seen, the eye has many components. They are complex and fragile. They need to be protected. This is the role of the accessory organs. The eye is protected by the eyelids, the eyelashes, and the eyebrows. The eyelids protect the eyes by covering them. The eyelashes and eyebrows prevent sweat, dust, and other unwanted substances from entering the eyes. In addition, the lacrimal glands secrete tears that help clean the eye, lubricate it, moisturize it, and defend it against bacterial infections. Blinking helps distribute the tears around the eye. Did you know that the eye and the nose are connected? The lacrimal points are small holes that drain excess tears. The tears are then transported to the nose through the nasal lacrimal ducts. This is why we can get a runny nose when we cry. Now that you know the anatomy of the eye, you should see more clearly.